but I want to talk about our digital marketing program that we have today, the Legacy Builders program, and what the 2-hour workday kind of comprises of. So for the most part, you're going to spend some time posting at least 3 videos, either on TikTok or a social media platform of your choice. You could use Facebook, Instagram, even LinkedIn. Some people use that. And then, that'll take some time. And you also want to bank some, because if you want to take the time to do 3 a day, and then if there's a day where you're running short of time, you can always kind of stockpile and then put them all in your draft. So if you have a day off or something comes up and you're not able to post, you can still be consistent. Because that's what this is all about, is being consistent and being there for your customers. I'm a retiree and I don't work a full-time job anymore, which is nice. So I pretty much have all day, but there's still, like I said, things to do because I am going to be moving soon. So the other time would be spent placing free ads. There's so many ads online, you can put ads for free, so you never really have to pay for any money doing any of that. I do a lot of that. I'll spend maybe half hour, maybe an hour. I'll also then spend some time responding to emails and to comments I get on my posts on social media. Hello everyone coming in. Hi there. Let me see who's there. So after that, I also do a lot of education. I read up on a lot of education in our groups, how-tos, best practices, how to find more customers, how to market better. And there's tons of groups out there that help you do that. Hi there. So I really spend more than 2 hours, but you don't have to. I'm trying to learn as much as I can. I love to learn things. I love to try new things. So one of the things I'm going to be doing is upping my game on some other social media platforms and get this business really rocking and rolling. I've only been doing it a few months and it's going pretty well so far, but I want to do better. So hello everyone. One of the other things that's great about this program is that there's an automated website. I don't have to DM anyone. I don't have to contact anyone. And other businesses I've done online, I've had to either create the product or buy a product and resell it. I've had to handle those other marketplaces. I'm not even going to name them here because you can figure out what they are. And, you have to list the product, you have to sell it, you pack it up, ship it, hope there's no returns. And there is a lot of busy work. This system here is kind of automated. If someone buys your product, it's all through your website. It's delivered automatically. And if you want to follow up with emails, you can, but you're not bugging friends or family. You're not going out talking to your local chamber of commerce, like some people do, depending on what kind of business you have. Hi there, everyone's coming in. Hello, thank you for coming in. So this business can make you way more money than you can make at your regular job, putting in less time. And even if you are working a regular job, there's pieces of this that you can do whenever you have time during the day. Maybe you like to get up early and you want to, make a video, save it, post it. Maybe on your lunch or break at work, you eat quick or you don't eat a whole lot, or you can watch a video while you're eating. You come home, maybe you have kids to take care of. Once they go to bed, you can do this. So you're not doing everything like in one chunk of the day. You can spread it out. Just have your goals of what you want to get done for the day and just make sure you're doing it. Hi there. Thanks for stopping by, everyone. So between the marketing system and the automatic website, this is one of the easiest businesses I've done. I have never done an online business like this that sells a digital product, and also I didn't have to create it. I also have tried that in the past and tried to sell it on another platform. But we have 4 products that we sell. They're high quality educational products that teach people how to market. Hey there. So that's pretty much it I want to say today. I'm going to keep it short. I do have to run out. It is Friday and I got a lot of things to do. So thanks everyone for joining me. I hope you learned something, and if you want to find out more, you can go to my other videos and see the website to go to, or leave a comment and say you're ready to find out more. Get our free blueprint that will walk you step by step through the whole process.